10 spices you can eat with kidney issues. Maintaining kidney health doesn't mean your meals have to be bland. Choosing the right spices can enhance flavor while being gentle on the kidneys. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 spices you can eat with kidney issues to make your meals both tasty and safe. 1. Ginger, anti-inflammatory and aids digestion. Use fresh or powdered in soups, teas, or stir-fries. 2. Garlic, enhances flavor naturally and supports cardiovascular health. Perfect for vegetables, meats, or sauces. 3. Turmeric, contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant. Adds vibrant color and subtle warmth to rice, soups, and stews. 4. Cinnamon, sweet spicy aroma without sugar, may help regulate blood sugar. Ideal for oatmeal or roasted vegetables. 5. Parsley, fresh, mildly peppery, and rich in antioxidants. Sprinkle on salads, soups, or roasted dishes. 6. Basil, aromatic and antioxidant-rich, enhances sauces, pasta, and vegetable dishes. 7. Oregano, earthy flavor perfect with vegetables, poultry, or fish, contains anti-inflammatory compounds. 8. Rosemary, piney aroma, works well with roasted meats and vegetables. Contains antioxidants supporting overall health. 9. Thyme, delicate, savory, and low in sodium. Great for soups, stews, and seasoning vegetables. 10. Coriander, cilantro, fresh, citrusy flavor. Use seeds or leaves in soups, salads, or sauces. Adding these spices you can eat with kidney issues allows you to enjoy flavorful meals without straining your kidneys. Combining them creatively can make a kidney-friendly diet more enjoyable, diverse, and nourishing. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.